Hi guys, it's Dylan at Jordan Bikes, and today we've got for sale this stunning Kawasaki ZX-10R. So what a great bike these are. This one is a 2018 bike on an 18 plate, done 4,448 miles. So carbon fibre mudguard. These bikes come with the Brembo M50 monoblock brakes and also the Showa big piston forks. They come with a quick shifter, but you can also enable a blipper on these too, so they are a great piece of kit. So having a closer look at this side, you can see you've got some crash protection fitted to the bike as well. Also a dark screen to finish off that cool look, and also a carbon fibre, a Krapovic exhaust and decat. So what a great sound. Let's give it a start up so you can have a listen. And lastly, tail tider there at the back. So they also come with an electronic Öhlins steering damper, full digital display on these, and you also get power modes and traction control options there as well as ABS on this particular one. So as always, what a fantastic bike that we've got for sale. If you do fancy it, please do get in touch, give us a call, or the best thing, just pop down to the showroom. Cheers.
Hi guys, I'm Nick. Thank you for watching the video until this far in. The bike you've just been looking at will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are very, very fussy, and we put 3 months warranty on it. If you want to extend that, you can. You can either have 1 year or 2 years. We've filmed it in high definition, but if you do want any extra photos or footage, just give us a call, we can send that to you. We offer finance as well, finance on all bikes and PCP on bikes up to 5 years old. Again, if you want a quote, just give us a call or pop in. And as always, finance is subject to status. So if you fancy the bike, give us a ring, you know where we are. Thank you for watching. Cheers.